guys, for this video, we will draw and color Groot. Groot is a popular character from the Marvel Comics universe, particularly known for his appearances in the Guardians of the Galaxy franchise. He is a sentient tree-like creature with a limited vocabulary, famously only saying "I am Groot," though the tone and context convey different meanings to those who understand him, especially Rocket Raccoon. Groot's character is beloved for his innocence, loyalty, and bravery, often serving as the heart of the team. In the movies, Groot is voiced by Vin Diesel. And we're done. See you in our next video.